release my husband killers are today awarded honorary degrees because they have once again tormented and double-murdered Chris.
Umfelokazi kaNobhala Zombelele we-SABC owabulawa kuChris Hani uthi namhlanje akakwamukela ukuvulelwa ngeparula kombulalikazi.
My holidays were good. I enjoyed them. I'm coming from Lobam. I'm going to Witbank. Now I'm going back to school.
Kubophile endleleni ezinkulu zenahale njengomana abantu ebebayokudla ugudi sebabuyela emuva.
Obviously, I must be relieved. I'm happy to be back home.
You know, there's no price that you can place in terms of the feeling that we have.
Inkhulu zemarumokala sezibotshwe iliphi yapheze imveke ezintathu zithi ehlile amaphaphu nazigadanga eSouth Africa. Zihlanganiselwe etafuleni yeindaba zesiNdebele ziza kuwe zisatshisa akwande sitshaba sekosi. Namhlanje kuhlangana iminyaka emachumi amathathu kwabhubha uChris Hani owabulawa sisakhamuzi sePoland uJanusz Walus ngomnyaka ka1993. uWalus wabhalelwa amahlandla amane ukufumana iparula. Kodwa ngomnyaka opheleleko ngoNobayeni ikhotho ezomthethosekelo yakhupha umyalo othi achathululwe ngeparula. Namhlanje bekubanjwe umnyanya wesikhumbuzo sakhe eThomas Memorial Park ekuruleni bekhanjelwe malunga weANC neSABC.
Chris was shot 30 years ago because there's still that second person. I don't have closure. That's why I'm wearing black today. I'm still mourning.
Umfelokazi kaNobhala Zombelele walokho weSABC ongasekho uChris Hani uDimpho uthome inkulumo yakhe ngokuthi angeze akuthola ukuthula ngakavela iqiniso bona wabulawelani uChris Hani begodi wathunywa ngibani uJanusz Walus.
Justice Zondo did not care. Our hearts are broken. This time our hearts are broken because those who are in power decided that our loss meant too little. They told us and demanded of our family to forgive and told us that the killer of our dreams and aspirations as a family had more rights than us.
Kwele wazehlela uhulumeni odosa phambili ihlangane ANC bona akenzi litho ngokuthola iqiniso ngababulali bakaSenzo Meyiwa.
What about the Meyiwa family? What happened to Ubuntu? And you are all sitting having fun. Nobody's raising it up, neither in parliament, legislator, municipalities. It's high time you are counted.
Warakangelithi uhulumende ke ucheche amaSewula Afrika kwanje khona. Ngombana aqalene nomtlhako ngendleko zempilo eziragela phambili nokhuphuka uthi uhulumende okhona unamala khulu ebantwini.
If you had to come to us and say, look here South Africans, you will not have electricity for 4 years, we'll say thank you. We'll make plans of how to have lights. But don't tell us that next year comes, no electricity. Then something happens. Give us the truth as it is. We can deal with the truth. And remember, we voted for you because we trust you. So don't betray our trust.
Nakusenjalo, uNobhala Zombelele weSABC usoli mapayila uthi abantu benahale khona batla kakhulu ke nje.
The living conditions of the people of our country, of the working class, are deteriorating. Political power of our people is being stolen.
This is not the occasion to discuss the problems of the alliance, but all of us know that it is not in good health. It is not in the best of shape. This at the time when we are facing the most difficult elections since 1994.
Nomvula Mokonyane uthi bazwile inlilo abazokwenza nje kuqinisa isikhozi sabo neSABC.
Usomkhandlu wezokuphepha komphakathi nezivikeleko eMpumalanga uVusishongwe uthi basebenze ngempumelelo enkulu ngempela veke esibuya kiyo le endleleni zesifunda. Ushongwe uthi kujanyiswe inkolo ezimbalwa kwabotshana labo abangalandeli umthetho wendlela. Uthi lokhu kusizile ekwehliseni isibalo sabantu ababhubhako nakulinganiswa nesomnyaka opheleleko.
Seyange kupheleni phela veke begoda abantu abanengi babuyela endaweni ezihlukahlukene enaheni lezombelele. Beliqinile ijima lokhandela inkoloyi kanti namapholisa bekade khiya abeka ilihlo kiso sonke isifunda.
Those that have got tickets, they are 2,621, and vehicles that we have discontinued on our road, there are 36.
Besingasiphezulu kangako nokho isibalo senkolo ekhathesi sangweni lomkhawuli osuku. Ngeteksini le nabakhwela abayendaweni ezihlukahlukene esifundeni esi bavele eSwatini.
My holidays were good. I enjoyed them. I'm coming from Lobam. I'm going to Witbank.
I'm from Babane, PTS Machobane. Now I'm going back to school.
Imphathimandla zemkhawuleni zithi kuthunyelwe namajoni kiwo omabili amasango omkhawulo walesi sifunda ukukhandela labo abalingukweqa umkhawulo ngokungemthetho bangangeni enaheni le.
Kanti eMpumalanga Kapa usomkhandlu wezokuthutha uxolile enqatha uzwakalisa ukuthuka amalungana nokubhubha kwabantu abangaphezulu kwama-40 ngempela veke ephasika. Lesi sibalo sibuyeleleke kabili lasilinganiswa nesangomnyaka opheleleyo ngesikhathi esifanako. Ukutshayela kwabantu bahamlile kuvezwe njengomunye wabonobangela abalezi ingozi zangempela veke.
I'm quite saddened with the fact that the numbers have increased compared to the last season. Obviously owing to the high number of volumes of people now post-COVID that are on the road going to sports competition, to the churches, and therefore resulting in these fatalities.
Abantu bakuthokozela ukubonakala ngobuningi kwamapholisa endleleni.
Amadoda amabili ekubalwa hlangana nawo abasebenzi bekhampani yezokuvikela iG4S kulindeleke bona bavele ekhotho kaMagistrata weBloemfontein kusasa ngemva kokubotshwa ngempela veke. Kuzwakala bona bahlotshaniswa nokweqa ejele komkati mjeje ubuye abe mbulali uThabo Bester eMangaung eBloemfontein.
Laba babili babotshwe isiqhema esiqinileko sabaphenyi esiphenya ukweqa kwaBester ejele. Amapholisa athi banenge abanye abasazi ukubotshwa. uBester ubanje eTanzania ngempela veke. Kukholwa bona obaleke nentombi yakhe uDokotela Nandipha Magudumana babotshwe nesakhamuzi seMozambique. Kusesenjalo umnyango wezempilo eFreystata uthi uyitshejile imbiko ethi batsho intombi kaBester yeba indumbe emochara zesifundisi yenzelela ukubalekisa uBester ejele.
Kanti njengoba nenaga yonke ilindele uBester bona buyazokuqalana namacala akhe. Unina oyizwe endabeni ukuthi indodana yakhe uThabo ubotshiwe gode eTanzania uthuhlala ngobuhlungu nevalo. Unina likaBester weminyaka ema-58 ubudala ohlala eVal uba ukuthi kungavezwa igama lakhe ngemva kokuthi akhahlunyezwe ngokubuyelelekileko wabawathuselwa ngokukhuluma nembiki indaba. Uthi icwethele imtshele batsho lisebenzela uBester nalo limkhahlumezile ngokusolo limfonela limthusela ngemva kokuthi akhulume nembiki indaba. Umoya wakhe uhlala uphasi ukude nomndeni nomphakathi nabangane. Ababiki indaba bamfumene azilodlelele ngendlini esabukulinyazwa. Ulodlela ngitsho namayege emini. uBester uthemba ukuthi uzayibona khona duze nje indodana yakhe. Uthiwa mgcina sesenomnyaka ubudala. Kusesenjalo umphakathi walapho uthoma ukuzilandela kakhulu mva nje indaba zikaBester khulukhulu abantu abatsha naphezulu kokuthi uBester azange akhulele lapha.
Kanti Border Management Authority akhange ifuna ukudoselwa kulezi indaba zikaBester bona uBester ingabe wafahla kelinye lamasango emkhawulo yabo namkhanjani. Ukomtjhinara abo uDr Mike Masiapato vakatshele esangweni lomkhawulo weBeitbridge emusini Limpopo ngeva kwezwango batsho yokuthi uBester ngenzeka weqa emkhawulweni loya. iBMA esungulwe nakuthoma inyanga le inamalanga ali-10 khona. Kanti uDr Masiapato uthi uzokubonakala khona duze nje umsebenzayo
we've already deployed members of the border guards together with the SANDF outside the port to be able to take care of the vulnerable areas where we know people always come through illegally. So on that basis, we've deployed them there from yesterday, and as of yesterday, we have intercepted around 50 people who were trying to come into the country illegally, and we brought them into the port, we processed them, and we deported them back into Zimbabwe.
Dr. Masiapata kangafuna ukuyifakaza namkha iphikise izwango batsho yokuthi ngenzeka uBesta nentombakhe uDr Nandipha Magudumana beqe enarheni le yabaye eZimbabwe esangweni lomkhawulo weBait Bridge.
As the Border Management Authority, we are not involved in as far as the investigation of that matter is concerned. The issue is being handled at the Ministry of Police, Ministry of Justice, as well as Ministry of Home Affairs. They are the ones who are currently dealing with that particular issue, and I suppose very soon they should be able to address the nation.
Umuntu nasela ncame mbala bona ufuna ukufahla. Zinengi indunje edradeni yomkhawulo lo zokuthi umuntu angafahla yokuphumela eZimbabwe.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuze bona uthini umbono wakho ngemkhawulo yenarha le. Ngemva kokubanyana umkati mjeje we-Facebook uThabo Besta nentombakhe uDr Nandipha Magudumana babanjwe eTanzania. Nakumbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Umbuso wekhethu akusembuso ongathembela kiwo ungakubulalisa ngabantu ukuthi umuntu lo usuke njani ukufika ngale Tanzania nomuntu lo watshiswa ke ngejele bathi nguye utshe njani.
Cha abakuleli ngampela kuphephile bahluleki bancama ubantshwa basha ngeTanzania besehambile nalokuthi beqe kanjani la
na udlula kuma border gate ucrossa uya kwenye country abasebenzi bala e-border gate akona information yana le kumele bayithole inyana kuwe bakubuza ama-question ukuthi uyaphi.
I-border gate yala ekhaya la eMzansi iyafana negate yale entolo le kungena noma ubani kuphuma noma ubani silonke suphethe imali abantu abakaphephi musemkhashi inkosi le ndoda inkosi hlokomeleni bantu benkosi.
Umbono ngewombukeli SABC ayizukuthwesa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Nasibuya entolo. Kusele ilanga linye ngaphambi kokuthi inkolo sivulwe. Ababelethi kwanje sikhona bakholekile bathi igenge le nasiye kusekhaya idla khulu. Ubukele indaba zesiNdebele ku SABC 1 siyakwamukela na ufikako. Umeyara weTshwane uSilas Spring ubawe iEskom bona isize idorobha leTshwane. Lokho kuza ngemva kubana kuwe insimbi ezisithandathu ezithwele indambo zegezi magega nendlela iN4 ekubangele bona kuvalwe amahlangothi womabili wendlela le kusukela endleleni iSimon Vermeulen ukuya kuSolomon Mahlangu. Ingozi le ichiye indawo eziningi ezisePumalanga ePitori neMamelodi ebumnyameni.
Izakhamuzi ePumalanga ePitori kufuze zizilungiselele ukuhlala ebomnyameni isikhatshana engingaziwa kubona bekubenini. Lokho kuza ngemva kokuwa kwensimbi ezithwele indambo ezikhambisa igezi endleleni enkulu iN1 phakathi kwendlela iSimon Vermeulen neSolomon Mahlangu. Okwanje unobangela wengozi le akaziwa. Kodwa nakukholwa bona kungenzeka kubangelwe izinqhema zenlelesi ezeba insimbi ziyozikalisa. Ingozi le ibangela isiminyaminya senkoloyi njengoba nabatshayeli bebalinga ukungachitheli insimbini eziwile kwezi ukukhandela ukuchokwa igezi. Usothwana uSelby Bugaba ukhombela abatshayeli bona basebenzise ezinye indlela.
This incident has led to the closure of the N4 freeway east between Solomon Mahlangu and Simon Vermeulen off ramps. Motorists are advised to avoid those roads and use alternative routes. The inclement weather is likely to delay the repair work. The estimated time for restoration is not available yet. The city will keep its consumers updated on the developments.
besizwe lihabako bathena bafika endaweni yesohlakalo bafumana amatraga abhalelwa kusikinyeka ngonobangela wentambo zegezi ebisendleleni iN4 kanti inkolo ezincane zona zikhonile ukudlula ngaphasi kwendambezi kwathi ezinye zabuyela emva. Indlela le ivaliwe bona ngazokwenzeka umonakalo. Abatshayeli ababili ababandakanyeke engozini le bathole banamanceba amancane kanti bagijinyiselwe esibhedlela.
The city is still busy assessing the extent of the damage. We know that many parts of Pretoria East as well as Mamelodi are off because of this damage. The problem, I am informed by councillors in the area, is that there's been several attempts over a period of time to steal the metal that forms part of the pylon construction.
Umeyara wetshwane uthi ngenzeka bona konke lokhu umsebenzi wenilelesi.
Ilama holiday wokuvalwa kwenkolo ababelethi abaningi bathi bazakhe baphumule nabasekhaya bayalelesa banjalo nje badla khulu.
Bangahlala khulu ekhaya bagcina sebathitshelwa nanga iTV.
I watch TV to make myself happy, and I work at home, like cleaning the house, doing the yard.
Nakuyi fridge yona ivula vala bathi bazenzela ukudla kanti nokulelesa sekukhona hlangana badla imini yonke nabanje.
During school holidays, I sit with my sister or maybe play outside with my friends. And the food that I eat, I would go to the shop and maybe buy me chips to put on my bread, or even just try to make me a sandwich, whatever I find in the fridge.
Abanye bazithandela ukudlala ama game.
Just chilling, watching TV, playing with my little sister. I don't like food the most. My little sister, she's the one.
Abanye bazikhupha isizungu ngokujiva bese bayafodana bafaka ama video la enkundleni zokuthindana. Abanye ababelethi basebenzisa umdlalo wokufunana nama Easter eggs.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just having fun. I play with my cousins and I swim.
Abanye ababelethi baba nehlelo elilandelwako nakuvalwe inkolo.
Over the school holidays, we actually have a program whereby the children get up in the morning, have their cereal and their breakfast in the morning. However, they're only allowed to have a 1-hour period of watching television.
Kubudisikhulu ngombana ukudla kuyabiza kulamalanga esikiyo kanti nabanje nabo badla khulu abantwana nabo.
They eat a lot and I feel the food is expensive. And sometimes I buy a maize meal, 2 maize meal per month.
Akathekile nokuqala bona baphephile na.
Guide them at the same time what to do and how to handle things if somebody do something bad to you, what to do if something happens to you.
Nasike iseluleko nangabe sebathoma ukuthwenya.
They can do watching their books, working on their books and chilling with their loved ones.
Nanyana konke esikubaleko kungezwakala kukuhle kodwa na church yabona ukazifumanise usebenzise imali eningi ngombana uthi ufuna ukubathabisa phela baqedi bona.
Zibuyile ingikhulu ezimbili zeMarumo Gallants FC ebezibanjwe eLibya pheze imveke ezintathu. Isikhulu uRufus Matsena nosomkhulumi wesiqhema esuTebogodlomo bafike edoyeleni labo Fly iOR Tambo namhlanje.
Kube nokukhulu ukuchaphuluka emoyeni lokhu ingikhulu embili zesiqhema zihlika isiphaphamtshini edoyeleni lemphaphamtshini ngemva kwesimbi ye-12 ekseni namhlanje. Lezi ngikhulu embili zeMarumo Gallants FC bezibanjwe eLibya ngaphandle kwemfiso zazo. uRufus Matsena noTebogodlomo bebabotshwe eLibya ngemva komdlalo weConfederation Cup lapho iGallants beyibambene khona nesiqhema senarheni leya iAl Aqda ngomhla ka-19 kuNtaka. Kodwa ababili laba bagcine bachachululwa ngemva komhlangano okukhulumisana obanjwe lesine. Ngano lobo ufaka hlangana umnyango wezamazwe ngamazwe, hlangane engamela ibhola enarheni leyisafa ubuzendo obubili benarha le eTunisia neLibya kunye nomnikazi wehotela eLibya ongisomabhizinisi uDokotela Ali Alzaha obekalukuchaphulula uMatsena noDlomo bekubeke lapha abhadelwa khona imali ayikolodwa sichema.
We're very much delighted to be home. You know, there's no price that you can place in terms of the feeling that we have. I mean, we're very excited.
Lezi ngikhulu embili zesichema bezingakhona ukubuya enarheni le ngombana zithathelwa ama-passport wabo umnikazi wehotela.
Yeah, obviously I must be relieved. I'm happy to be back home. I'm happy to come back to my family, and that's it. Just happy.
uMatsena noDlomo bamukele balandeli besichema bambalwa umnikazi wesichema nosihlalo Abraham Silo. Isichema esi sihlele nokuthi lezi ngikhulu embili ziyokuthotsha umkhumbulo.
Thanks, we are very much relieved, and I think they've traveled a long journey now. They should be very, very tired, and we have arranged for a press conference where we're going to say everything tomorrow.
Isichema sakhange sivume bona babilaba bacoce ngobudisa abahlangabezene nabo eLibya. Sithe kunalokho imbuzi zakuphendula emhlanganweni okukhuluma nababika indaba osazokuhlelwa sichema.
Ubujamo bezulu buyalandela ngositshaba amahlango nisale kuhle.